All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry to interrupt, but can we get a big round of applause for that first? For showing up, and a special thank you to Debbie, Christine, and the wharf employees for making this event happen.
Naka-live ka din? Naka-live ka? I'm live.
Alive ka?
Yeah.
Nikki from San Diego, Alan from Bakersfield, we got a gentleman here from Arizona, and Slim. They called by Kevin, he flew down from Cleveland, Ohio on Friday specifically for this event. Years ago, we were on Canada. Good morning. Right now, you can sort of go around. There is a list of people that are going to do a play-in for the exhibition match. Once that starts and it's over, those people that paid for the picture and the
Si Sir Efren may portrait sa patio namin.
single file line,
May portrait siya sa patio namin. I don't even have portrait. Kasi yun yung ano ni Alan. Doon siya nagbibilyar. Yeah. Sa Bakersfield.
Alan pala. Alan.
Yeah.
Roger.
Oh, Lani.
Lani.
Yeah.
Ay, kawag na.
Yeah.
Maglalaro tayo.
Maglalaro siya.
Nag-request ako pwede mauna kasi layo namin eh. Saan ka galing? Sa Bali lang. Saan? Bali.
Bali. Malapit lang. Yeah.
3 oras yung biyahe namin. Na-traffic pa kami. Talaga? Anong oras?
Alas 6.
Alas 6.
May bayad yun.
Kasali na yun.
Kasali na yun?
Sali na yun?
Yeah.
Sa bayan natin.
Oh, I see.
Main event nila.
Yun ang main event yung 6 p.m. Oh, si Parika.
Jana Tejero is watching. Jana is watching.
Oh, yeah.
Joanna.
Oh.
Hello, Joanna.
Hi.
Yeah. That's Sir Efren Bata Reyes.
Sa wakas, nakita ko rin ang personal si Idol. Oo.
Siya lang kilala ko eh. Maliban kay siya tsaka si
Si Django.
si yung pumunta sa
Si Jeff De Luna. Jeff De Luna.
Did you leave your card in the bar?
Yeah, the chase. This one's the for the.
Bakit yung chase yung iniwan mo doon? Iniwan ko yung food natin doon, baby. Is that okay? Iniwan ko. Kasi bawal yata magdala dito eh.
Ayun ang pwede mong galing dyan.
Nahiya ako eh. Ako lang may dala nun. Kainin ko na lang mamaya after you're done.
Lagyan ka rin dyan. Excited ka rin. Sana kinalaban mo na. Once in a lifetime pa rin.
Race ko, ano ba tayo? Race 2, race 3 lang.
I don't know. Yeah, siguro. Yeah. I don't, it doesn't matter. Alam ko naman talo eh, sigurado. Hindi,
Pagka nanghihina ka pamilya ko, bibigyan ko na.
Yeah.
Dapat ikaw mag-break. Dapat ikaw mag-break. Tayo mag-break para makatirap tayo.
Nauntog siya kanina eh. So sabi ko may dahilan ka na matatalo ka.
naka-live ka?
Yeah.
I-set up mo to para hindi mo hawak-hawak.
Hindi okay lang baby kasi so I can turn around
Oh,
if
I
I want. But you can set it up if you want.
I-record ko ito. Video.
Meron lang ako nito, meron ka pa
Ay,
niya.
hindi yan naka-live ka, di ba?
Oo. Anong tawag dito sa place? The Wharf?
The Wharf.
Grove Garden?
The Wharf.
The Wharf? Okay. Oh, sisirain mo yan.
The Wharf Restaurant.
And where are we at?
Garden Grove,
Garden Grove. Yeah.
California.
California. We're at the Wharf Restaurant, Garden Grove, California. Alan is here to fight Efren Bata Reyes. We'll see if he's gonna if he can match the magician Efren Bata Reyes. Siyempre, kailangan may proof. Yeah. Okay, I need to show my face. A proof. Yeah, I'm here. It's legit. Yeah, that's Alan. Oh, baby, good luck daw. Baby, good luck daw.
Thank you.
Alan said thank you. Thank you. Ang galing ni Sir Reyes, Sir Efren Reyes. Wow. That's awesome. Galing.
Excited na.
Are we gonna be here until 6?
Yeah.
Pwede naman ako umupo dito. Kasi yung gamit ko nandito.
Lagay mo dito yung
Ha?
dito yung gamit.
Hmm? Yeah, sa baba.
Para may makaupo.
Yeah. Hello, Grace. Hello, everyone. We're here at the Wharf. Alan is going to play later with the magician, Efren Bata Reyes.
Yeah, people, if you can respect the players, please come when they're ready to shoot. Please, I'll give it a play. We have a VIP, which by the name of Alan.
Okay. Mag-selfie ka na lang.
Are we starting?
Meron ka? Yeah, maybe talk to Debbie yung nandun. Yung babae doon. Yung nandoon, no? Yeah, yung nakaitim. Yeah, kausapin mo. So if you for picture taking,
For picture daw?
yeah. So
Hindi.
this ticket is
Kasama na yan
for
kasi
picture taking. Yeah, you have to have this ticket to have a picture with the magician. Alin? Ay, sa kanya ba yan? Sa kanya yan? What happened? Ano yung baby?
Hindi nila... Pwede mo ba isend yung link sa mga ano?
Mamaya.
Sa Kuya Ariel?
Yeah.
Sa kila...
Yeah.
Sila Mamaroon. Kasi Robert Hyman din sa si Eric De Leon.
Yeah, yeah.
Jock Tay. Derek Resurrection.
Are you ready? Mamaya maglalaro si Alan. Ay, nauntog nga siya kanina eh. Sabi ko may dahilan ka na matalo. Baby, look at the comment. Si Kuya Tommy. Halika, halika. Kuya
What?
Tommy said, baka dayan.
Ha?
Baka dayain ka.
Baka dayan ako?
Nauntog nga siya eh, Kuya Tommy. Sabi ko, ngayon, you have the reason. You can tell people na nagka-concussion.
Kaya ka natalo.
Kaya ka natalo.
Hindi, ano, pagbibigyan ko na lang.
Yeah, pagbibigyan na lang daw po ni Alan. Yeah.
Bigyan ko ng matindi-tinding partida to.
Yeah. Magpapatalo na lang po si Alan.
Yeah, tapat mo sa akin. Bigyan ko ng partida to.
Hi,
Partida.
hi Rose. So Efren Bata Reyes is otherwise known as magician. He's a very famous billiard player.
He's the greatest
The
pool player
greatest pool player.
of all time.
Yeah. And Alan is here to challenge him. But he had a concussion a while ago, so you might
I have
not
an excuse.
you might not win.
Pare, may dahilan na ako pag natalo ko eh. Naumpog ako kanina sa pinto. I don't know. Baka sandali lang to, mga race to mga 3 lang siguro.
Yeah. Tsaka ano pa siya, fit pa. Fit pa
Ganda
siya.
ng katawan.
Mhm. Ay, hindi. Ano lang.
Naglalaro ka rin ba? Hindi.
Hindi. Kumakain lang.
Manalo siya, mag-retire na.
Yeah, if Alan wins, he's gonna quit his job. Yeah. Yay! It's Alan. Alan is playing. He's going to challenge the magician.
Photographs and autographs. We're going to do 2 games of 9 ball. Starting off with Alan, who's coming down from Bakersfield. So, big round of applause.
Yoo-hoo! Woohoo!
One thing that I would have liked.
Okay, guys, so if he wins, he's gonna quit his profession.
Maybe ask him how should he just wouldn't be evaluated for the thing. We can start with Ellen. You take pictures. So when you pictures, you take
Yeah, yeah. Ay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Okay. All done.
We'll do autographs later. Then we'll just get autographs. Whoever's playing, Efren, they're going to break both times. Because you will lose the leg every time. I'm a little nervous, guys, so bear with me. I'm trying to get everything right.
Okay, like I said, guys, if Alan wins, he's gonna quit his profession. It's recording. I had to stop because I took a video. Baby, you concentrate.
Hindi na first
Is it your turn?
That's not. Just watch.
Punta ka naman dun, baby.
Bus na yan. Galing. Oh, yan si Jun. Si Jun. Medyo binrake pa. Anong
Nakita
galing,
mo?
Ano?
Nakita.
Hanip naman talaga.
Ilang taon na si, ano,
71.
71? Oh, wow.
game na lang.
Pinlising. Galing. Ang galing ng placing.
Galing. Wala na.
Pakita yung
Ano
mesa.
na?
Pakita mo yung mesa, baby.
Ano na si... Tap...
Ay, pakita mo yung tentira niya.
Yeah, I know.
Placing nga naman. Yan, panoorin mo anong gagawin niya dyan. Magic. You're gonna see a magic.
You can do magic.
Ah! What?
Wow.
Give chance to others. Give chance na lang.
Oh my God.
Give chance.
Safety good, safety good.
Yeah. He's anxious.
Wow!
Tapos na? Is it done?
Sayang also.
Diretso.
Kung sinet up niya.
Pinagbigyan ka lang. Hindi, pinagbigyan ka lang. Oh, there's another game? Inaano ko siya, zinuzoom ko. Oh. Tapos pwede ko siyang iganyan. And then pagka nasa, pwede kong i-focus sa table.
Wow! Uwi na. Where? Where?